Hi guys! For today's video, I can't remember the last time I did this, pero I'm going to test out a base product. Pala ko sana personal testing lang to, pero why not? I'll let you join in na rin. Because I miss you. I always miss you guys. I always miss filming videos for you. And I'm so sorry kung hindi ako lumilinya sa mga mainstream products. Ang dami ko pang backlogs, but I'm working on it one by one, okay? One step at a time. For today's video, Focallure naman tayo. Alam niyo naman na suki ako ng pink flash, diba? So, gora naman tayo sa sisterette niya na Focallure kasi nakita ko today. Meron silang skin tint. And if you've been following me for a very long time, wala na sa social media ko, sa Instagram, sa TikTok, I'm not really big on foundation, like full coverage, heavy duty. Siguro nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa ABS, nag-on cam pa, nung DJ pa ako, nung kada linggo, merong mga mall shows, hostings, ganyan. Full coverage kung full coverage ang labanan ko. Pero now that I am hybrid, I work from home, and I sometimes go to GMA, plus the fact that I'm in my 30s, syempre ang goal ko is yung fresh look lang. Alam niyo yon. So I've been looking for really good skin tints, but most of the time I concoct my own. Like I mix a full coverage foundation with sunscreen, ganyan. Eh nakita ko today sa Shopee. It's lightweight, it's tinted, and it's blurring. By the way, ang title pala nito is this is the Focallure Bare Multi-Effect Skin Tint. So ang chika, it has SPF 30 PA+++++. It's lightweight, gives skin a smooth satin-like finish. That's some promise is it can stay on your face for 12 hours. Evens out skin tone, easy to blend, lightweight texture, waterproof, and non-greasy. Me, ang daming promise me. And this is the exact product container. Product container! So, ito yung packaging. Ayan. And this is the twist. Also guys, medyo full face tayo nga ng freshness because I can't help it. Pink flash. May nakita akong cutie patuti na naman. And these are eyebrow gel. 4 shades. And I kid you not, pang malakasan to. Kasi iniswatch ko siya sa arms ko yesterday. And ang tagal niya bago nawala. I had to use like baby oil para mawala siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, very promising. Pero later na yan. Dito muna tayo sa base. So first is NE1. Pang maputian siya, mi. Pang mga fair to light to fairy skin tones. Mi, ang puti. Pero tingnan natin kung mag-oxidize siya, kung mag-adjust siya or something like that. And then the other shade is called YLO1. Ito ang maraming babagayan na Filipina skin tone. Diba? It's a bit darker and yeah, I feel like ito ang para sa akin. So I already did my skincare an hour ago. So, fully absorbed na yan. So, what I'm gonna do para makita natin 2 shades in action, I'm going to apply yung YL01 majority of my face. Pero, itong, feeling ko magagamit ko rin tong NE01 dito sa middle or pang mix sa mga, let's say, other base products medyo darker for me. Ito, pang lighten. Maganda pang lighten yan. So, one side of my face, I'm going to use the warmth of my hand. And the other side, gamit tayo ng Kabuki Brushelia. So, I have here my hand dandy lalagyan, yung NE01. See the difference? Parang ang dark ni YL01, pero hindi naman. Dito muna tayo. I'm going to randomly put it. And then, yung lighter shade sa inner parts. Para yung attention wala sa lapad ng mukha ko. Andito lang sa gitna. Gayon. See, it's smooth. Para akong naglalagay lang ng moisturizer on my face. Okay, the middle na. May nabasa pa ako dun sa description na buildable siya. If you need more coverage, you can put another layer. But I don't think I need another layer kasi ang goal ko lang is to even out the skin tone and to brighten the right areas. Ayan. My God, it is lightweight. Nakaka-even out nga siya ng skin tone, pero may para lang siyang skin light. Ay, ang ganda. Kinda like it. At saka alam nyo, siguro to para sa iba, pero using the warmth of your fingers to apply foundation is another really good trick para maging flawless yung finish. Skin-like. Ayun. Wala. Meron. Diba? Okay, so gamit na tayo ng Kabuki brush. Pero alam nyo, I feel like I can mix both of them and use it on my face and it would still look really, really nice. Parang mag-aano pa rin siya. Effect pa rin siya sa skin tone ko. Over here, I'm going to use a brush. Itong ganitong coverage, good na to for like every day. If you're not a fan of the glass skin sheen, you can always use your favorite powder or loose powder to mattify the areas na ayaw mong may sheen. Pero ako, nakakabata talaga yung machine. Yeah, parang ang healthy ng skin mo, Mi. Ay, I'm so happy. Buti nilang bongga ka. I'm going to add one more layer. Tignan natin yung sinasabing buildable chururut coverage. So I mix both of them to get like, yes. It's better if I mix both of them. This is like perfect na. Oop, 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 oop. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god, I love it so much. Look at that sheen. Like, K-pop! Like me, ang lakas maka-Korean makeup. Alam mo yun? So if you want to achieve yung parang ganong effect, yung parang Korean na alam mo may foundation pero skin-like pa din, me. Bongga it is. I'm so happy. Okay, so let's go sa brows. I have here the Pink Flash Styling Eyebrow Tint. Ngayon pa lang, nire-recommend ko na to because I used one of these yesterday and the entire day died. Nagpunta ako ng GMA. Nandun ako 8:30 in the morning. Umuwi ako like mga 9:30 p.m. Andun pa rin siya. Hindi ko lang na-vlog kasi I was super duper busy. Whole day recording yon. Pero my brows, kung anong itsura niya, when I left at home, ganun pa rin ang itsura niya pag uwi ko day. So these are very long lasting, pigmented, strong hold. Pag ni-brush mo siyang ganyan, kung ano talaga itsura niya day. Ganun lang tayo. Para ka naglagay ng gel on your eyebrows, it did not move at all. Well, given na nasa office lang naman ako, lumabas lang ako to buy drinks and food. Pero I feel like kahit mag-swimming ka, epekto day. And for me, naayaw ko ng matrabahong eyebrows. Like yung kailangan pa ng gel, kailangan pa ng a separate tint, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Goods na ako dito. Simple application but very effective. And kung manipis yung eyebrows mo, day, maganda rin pampakapal to. Okay, let me show you the shades. I got 4 shades. I think 4 shades lang naman meron sila. Diba? For my chances of winning. Kasi malay mo, from black, mag-change ako ng hair color. Mabuti nang meron akong eyebrow gel to make na pangtapat. So the first shade is BR01. This is BR01. Ayan. So kung blandita ka, me, ito para sa'yo. Or if you have red hair, yan. This is like solid brown. Next is BR02. So this is BR02. Syempre, pag nilagay mo siya sa eyebrows mo, depends on how many layers you put. Magda-darken pa siya. Pero it's like brown-gray. But ito if you have blonde hair or if you have black hair lang, epic yan. Next is BR03. Si BR03, yan ay like gray. Well, depends on your skin tone. This would work on you. If you have black hair or if you have brunette hair, this could also work. And then the last one is BR04. Ito ang dark gray with a little hint of brown. Parang gray, black, and tiny brown. Ayan, you get BR04. And this one is the perfect shade for those with my black hair. And I have black hair currently. I might change my hair color anytime soon. Let's see. Ayan. Yan yung before. Like, suklay-suklay ka lang. Ganyan. Ayan. Me. Bogs. Ayan. Me. Done. Hindi ko na kailangan magsukat-sukat pa. Magsukat-sukat pa ng brows. Tapos na me. Ayan na yun. Let me do the other side. Boom. Ayan. I'm done. That's it. Nagsuklay lang ako ng brows ko. And that is going to stay on my eyebrows the entire day. I kid you not. So again, if katulad kita, na ayaw mo nang masyadong ma-effort sa brows, gusto mo lang suklay-suklay, may tint ka na, plakado na, ayan, maayos na, and it's going to stay the entire day, go for this one. Pink Flash Styling Eyebrow Tint. And the best part is, it's just 129 pesos. And then, itong skin tint, 239. Pero you gotta buy sa Shopee, may vouchers pa yan, So, done with the base, done with the eyebrows. I bought a new Focallure eyeliner. Guys, alam nyo, underrated yung eyeliners ng Focallure, ng Pink Flash. They are so good. Pantapat sa mga mahaling eyeliners. This one is the Focallure eyeliner. Very simple. Focallure eyeliner. Ito, ayan yung packaging. Wait, I will link down below itong product na to. Pero this is the second time that I bought this. I just don't usually use it on cam or just mga Instagram reels ko kasi meron akong stick-on lashes. Feeling ko okay na yun for everyday. Pero for this video, I'm going to use it. Pero tiny eyeliner lang ilalagay ko. Ano lang ng depth ng ano. Honestly, ang dami ko na nabiling eyeliners ng Focallure. And never pa akong na-disappoint So effective, very easy to use, and long-lasting. So, for the blush, kakagetching ko lang din ito. So, this is the Focallure Liquid Blush Hangover Red Wine. Yun talaga ang pangalan niya. Focallure Red Wine Blushes. Ayan. It comes in 4 shades. I got this for only 129 pesos. I tried it on yesterday. Ito, I feel like this is a blush na more pang event and not so much pang everyday. Well, pwede mo siya gamitin everyday. Kung okay lang sa'yo, merong tiny specks. Super duper tiny speck na glitter. Pero, it is so easy to blend. Very pigmented. A little goes a long way. Yung isang ganito, I feel like gagamitin mo kalahating taon. Actually, pag ganito, hindi halata yung tiny specks. Pero makikita lang siya if like nalagyan mo ng flash or something like that. So again, a little goes a long way. I got the shade, ano pala, Tequila. Mag-drunk blush tayo, me. Do you remember that trend? Usog-usog dati yun. Drunk blush? Well, actually, ginagawa pa rin naman siya ngayon. Pero hindi na binabanggit yung salitang drunk blush. Ganda. Ganda na combination ng mga products ko ngayon. Ang fresh lang ko. Okay, so for the lips, torn ako if I'm going to use yung Pink Flash Dewy Lip Color, or napanood yun na ba yung videos ko nito? Link down below. Amazing lip product. Teka, meron kasi akong ano, I used it na. Yan yung sa lips ko. Susunggaling ko lang to give way for this one. So for the lips, I'm going to use this one. This is from Pink Flash. This is a dual lip combo, and I'm going to use 2 shades, yung PK01 and PK02. PK01, I'm going to use it on top of my lips. I'm going to overline just a little bit. And then PK02 at the bottom. Pakita ko muna sa inyo ng matte, and then later on, I'm going to show you with the gloss. Oh.
Nice.
Okay, so this is the matte. Ganda, no? Dahil two-tone yung lips ko, parang mas full yung lower lip ko. Try doing that, two-toned lips. Hindi kailangan parehas yung shade. Darker yung lower or upper. Depende, alin yung mas gusto mong magmukhang fuller. Ako kasi gusto ko mas fuller yung lower ko. Yun yung one shade darker. Magandang combination is pink and red, nude and pink, yung mga ganon. Now, let me show you my gloss. Alright, so ito na ang ating full face of Focallure and Pink Flash. And my god, you guys, habang tumatagal yung skin tint sa face ko, lalo siya nagmumukhang skin-like. Para lang ako nag-skincare. And I love it. Yung coverage niya, yes, it's buildable. Pero wag mo asahan na this is going to be like full coverage. No. These are perfect pang everyday, pang office, pang gora sa grocery, or if you just want to look extra maaliwalas kahit nasa bahay ka. Perfect itong skin tint ng Focallure. Just make sure you did your skincare before using these, kasi kahit anong skin tint or foundation, kakapit at kakapit yan sa dry skin, o hindi yan magiging flawless application kung hindi maganda yung base mo, kung hindi well moisturized and hydrated. But overall, I'm happy, highly recommended. Starting today, I think I'm going to reach for these now for every day. And the eyebrows, don't forget to try them. Lahat ng products na ginamit ko, affordable, kayang-kaya nyo. At pag sa Shopee pa kayo bumili, more vouchers and discounts pa yan. Oh, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Ayaw mamburami! Tsaka itong blush, oh. Pangmalakasan talaga, mi. Nakakaloka. I think I'm gonna get more shades nito.